virus is gonna spread. You're gonna look at your neighbor gonna cough, and that's the last time you're gonna want to see your neighbor. You're gonna hear a cough 2 doors down. All right, the guy who takes care of the electricity, he done quit. So the power in the city is faulty. You're gonna have brownouts. You're gonna have blackouts in the midst of viruses being spread, airborne. You're walking outside with masks, but this virus is so small that it moves through the mask and you just inhaled it. It's going down, man. This strain of virus might make you bug out on your family, and then you just somebody end up unaliving the entire family because of the new strain.